Yo fam, welcome to my Beginner Calisthenics Routine Series Part 4. Coming in hot today, a new routine for you. This is a little level up from Part 3. So what I've done is I've made these progressions just a little bit harder, and that way it's just going to keep challenging you, and that's going to help you progress to unlocking harder progressions and then ultimately unlocking those badass calisthenics moves. Alright, let's do this!
pass me by. Binging in my sentimental mind. Still holding my feelings in. I'm still wondering if you care. Always taking so for granted. Do you even believe when the words fall? Words fall. Words fall. Do you even believe it when the words fall? Words fall. Just say it. Tendency with sharpening your knot. Acting like you open.
Yo fam, well done for getting through round one. It was tough as hell, I know. But you know the drill, you're not done yet. You've got at least another 2 to 3 rounds in you. So to get those bang for buck results, what I suggest is you hit this routine at least 2 to 4 rounds through, and then you're gonna hit it at least 2 to 3 times per week. Alright, and something super exciting, I have a new series coming for you to help you keep leveling up and working towards those badass calisthenic moves. But what I need from you is to give me some feedback. So you're going to drop in the comment section below any particular movements or exercises that you need help with, and I'm going to help you get there, baby. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next video. Let's go!